Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best snow mower is probably one of the most essential tools for homeowners facing harsh winter conditions, transforming the daunting task of clearing snow into a manageable chore. Imagine effortlessly gliding through thick snow, leaving your driveway and walkways pristine and safe in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional shoveling. This powerful machine is designed to tackle even the heaviest snowfall with ease, offering a convenient and efficient solution to keep your property accessible and looking its best all season long. Investing in a quality snow mower means reclaiming your time and energy, ensuring you can enjoy the winter season without the backbreaking labor. Number 5. Snow Joe SJ618E Electric Snow Blower. Tackle snow-covered driveways and walkways with ease. This electric snow blower is designed for efficient snow management. Powered by a robust motor, it clears a significant amount of snow per minute. Experience gas-like performance without the hassle of fuel or maintenance. With an adjustable chute, you have full control over where the snow goes. You can even adjust the height to throw snow up to 20 feet. Its rotor cuts a wide path, clearing snow quickly. It does so without damaging surfaces like decks or pavements. Compact all-terrain wheels ensure easy movement and control. Navigate mid-sized areas smoothly and efficiently. What we like. This electric snow blower offers gas-like performance without the hassle. It clears up to 580 pounds of snow per minute with an 18-inch path. If you have a mid-sized driveway and want powerful, reliable snow removal without the fumes or maintenance of a gas engine, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It performed without hesitation, no stalling, no dying. It just did its job. I was able to clear my patio, the sidewalk, and my entire parking area. The power, it cleared 8 to 12 inches of snow with no problem, though you do have to put some muscle behind it if it's wintry mix. The light, fluffy stuff is a breeze. Ease of use, it's incredibly simple. You just press the blue safety button and pull the handle trigger at the same time to go. Number 4. Dickies Men's Deluxe Long Sleeve Coveralls. Introducing the Dickies Men's Deluxe Long Sleeve Coveralls. Crafted from 7.5-ounce twill, these coveralls offer both durability and comfort for any job. Featuring a convenient zipper front, they are easy to put on and take off. The industrial uniform fit ensures you have the freedom to move. These coveralls are designed to withstand tough work environments. The robust twill fabric ensures they will last through many uses. Perfect for mechanics and industrial workers, these provide the protection and functionality you need. Stay comfortable and protected all day long. The zipper front makes getting dressed for work quick and efficient. Spend less time gearing up and more time getting the job done. Experience the ultimate in workwear with these long sleeve coveralls. They are an essential addition to any professional's wardrobe. What we like. This is a classic mechanic's jumpsuit designed for durability and comfort. If you're looking for a reliable work garment that can withstand tough conditions and keep your clothes clean, this coverall is an excellent option for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone needing protective workwear. What people say. The fabric feels durable without being stiff, the zipper is solid, and once it's on, you can forget about it and just work. Grease, dust, sparks, this thing handles all of it like a champ. Fit-wise, it's roomy enough to move, bend, and crawl without feeling restricted. I like the zippered pockets to keep items secure that might fall out. Number 3. Snow Joe 48V Cordless Snow Blower Kit. Introducing the Snow Joe 48V Cordless Snow Blower Kit. It's powered by our exclusive IonMax 24-volt lithium-ion battery system, offering zero-emission performance with two 4.0Ah batteries. This snow blower features a heavy-duty rubber-tipped steel blade auger. It clears an impressive 18-inch wide by 10-inch deep path in a single pass, making snow removal a breeze. Take control of where the snow goes with the adjustable 180-degree chute. You can direct snow exactly where you want it, throwing it up to 20 feet away. Don't let darkness stop you. The built-in 2-watt LED headlight ensures safer and more effective operation, even during nighttime snowfalls. Experience the ultimate convenience of cordless operation, freeing you from tangled extension cords. Enjoy enhanced mobility and tackle even the heaviest snowfalls with ease. Need more power? You can easily expand your runtime by purchasing additional IMAX batteries. This allows you to double your clearing time and conquer any winter storm. What we like. Experience true freedom with this cordless snow blower, powered by a robust 24-volt lithium-ion battery system. It clears an 18-inch path and features an LED headlight for early morning or late evening clearing. If you value mobility and want to tackle larger areas without being tethered by a cord, this is the perfect solution for your driveway and sidewalks. What people say. The snow blower has a powerful engine that easily clears heavy, wet snow. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to operate, even for extended periods. The adjustable chute allows for precise snow throwing, directing it exactly where you want it. Number 2. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Electric Snow Shovel Kit. Introducing a powerful snow shovel kit designed for ultimate convenience. It includes everything you need for efficient snow and ice removal, all in one package. Experience robust performance with its 400W motor. This tool efficiently moves a significant amount of snow, ensuring your paths are cleared quickly. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. Easily clear snow from your decks, patios, and sidewalks without the hassle of cords. It cuts a wide and deep path through snow in a single pass. This makes snow removal quick and requires minimal effort from you. Powered by a long-lasting 24V lithium-ion battery, it provides up to 22 minutes of quiet runtime. You can clear snow without interruption. This comprehensive kit includes the shovel, a protective cover, an ice scraper, a powerful battery, and a quick charger. It's designed for your all-in-one convenience. What we like. This cordless snow shovel is designed for quick and easy snow removal from smaller areas. It clears a 13-inch path and is powered by a 24-volt battery for up to 22 minutes of runtime. If you have decks, patios, or walkways that need clearing and prefer a lightweight, maneuverable tool, this snow shovel is ideal for you. What people say. It was able to cut through the high snow and even through some of the icy snow. It blew the snow very far away and the battery seemed to last quite a while. Cleans the hard sometimes icy plow blockage in the front of my driveway without issues. Number 1. Mudrunner, American Wilds Edition, Xbox One. Embark on an adventure across 2 new sandbox maps. These vast landscapes are inspired by the rugged terrains of Montana and North Dakota, offering a fresh challenge. Experience new driving challenges with iconic U.S. vehicles from brands like Hummer, Western Star, and Chevrolet. Master varied environments and overcome tough terrain. You can go on this journey solo or team up with up to 3 friends in co-op multiplayer. Share the adventure and tackle obstacles together. Navigate through mud, rivers, and more with a true-to-life physics engine. These obstacles react realistically to the weight and movement of your vehicle. This edition offers the most complete experience. It includes the full game and all previously released downloadable content for endless off-road fun. What we like. This is the ultimate off-road simulation experience, featuring vast American landscapes and challenging terrains. If you love driving simulation games and enjoy overcoming difficult obstacles with realistic vehicle physics, especially with friends in co-op multiplayer, this edition offers the most complete and immersive experience. What people say. Great trucking app, love it, looks all real when driving hills and slopes. If you like wheeling and trucking, you'll dig this game. Hell of a lot of fun, could play this for hours on end. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.